Is my screen visible, bachcho?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, then let's start. So, before moving to the next topic, so first let me discuss the test 3. This is test 3 paper. Have you tried all the questions? Okay. I will go through each question, and if you have any doubt, then tell me. Then we will solve that question, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
First question. Anyone have any doubt? First question. First question. Okay, right. Second question.
हेलो मैम।
Hello.
हाँ हाँ जागृति बोलो बेटा.
मैम मतलब ये क्वेश्चंस को कैसे सॉल्व करना है?
Okay, okay. So let's go through the second question. So seven students P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V scored different marks. Q scored the highest marks. So Q is 1. So basically what I will do is, first there are seven students, right? Seven students here. First I will mark like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I will keep the blanks here. And so we don't know who will come here or here or here or here. So what I know is Q scored highest marks. Q is equals to 1. So I will mark Q here. And then U scored the lowest. So U equals to 7. So I will sit him here. Exactly 3 students scored more than R. Exactly 3 students. Exactly or only words are there. These are some keywords. Then you know the position of that person exactly. Like you can point out. Then you get to know position directly. Like most of the cases will be like this. Exactly 3 students scored more than R, right? So exactly 3 students more than R. So R must be in the fourth place. So exactly 3 will be there here. Got it? R equals to 4. And S scored immediately below Q. S is immediately below Q. So here T scored more than P but less than Q. Now there are only 3 places left, right? Only 3, 5, 6. And we know these 3 members are not placed. So that's a unique way, right? Q here, T here, and P here. Now check, is this sequence satisfying all these conditions?
मैम
हाँ हाँ बोलो. हाँ तेजस बोलो बेटा.
मैम मेरे ये यू आर है मैम बराबर है मैम.
हाँ हाँ
मैम वी
ओके
नहीं
ओके
है
गुड
वी.
गुड.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ हाँ
वी
बोलो
नहीं
बेटा.
है. वी नाही आहे क्यू डबल डबल झालाय.
1 minute.
क्यों रिपीट हुआ है मैम?
अच्छा wait. Sorry. Okay then 1 minute. So what are left actually? QSTTPU. Acha, wait, 1 minute. Thank you for pointing out the mistake. Arre, 1 minute. I thought this was not okay. Q completed, S completed, R completed, and U completed. Okay. हमारे पास T, V and P है ना? Okay. This was given. Okay, V was not mentioned anywhere, right? Okay.
यस मैम.
Okay, so TP can be here, TP can be here also. But once see what they're asking here actually. Who scored the second highest, right? So second highest to fix
यस.
है. yes है ना?
Yes.
So no need to think about these positions. TP का positions हमें नहीं पता होना चाहिए. So S का like the second का position हमें पता है ना. Then no need to think about these positions. किसी को कोई डाउट है? जागृति बेटा समझ में आया?
Yes,
जागृति?
teacher.
Okay, so
मैम फर्स्ट वाला रिपीट कर
basically how you will solve the problem? जागृति बोलो.
मैम फर्स्ट वाला
Yes.
रिपीट करोगे क्या प्लीज?
हाँ रिपीट करूंगी. Like when I asked the first question, then why didn't you ask? You need to ask, no? Be transparent with me. Don't like I'm not a teacher, no? Like just I'm a didi for you. Like think like that and ask whatever doubt you have.
सेकेंड वाला रिपीट कीजिए ना.
Okay, good.
मैम
Okay.
फर्स्ट दीदी फर्स्ट वाला प्लीज.
Okay. So first I will explain the second one and then we will move to the first one also. So basically हमें क्या करना है? We should convert the sentences into the mathematical relations, okay? Q scored the highest marks. That means Q is placed in the first position. Okay? U scored the lowest marks. So I placed U in the last position, 7th position. And exactly 3 students scored more than R. Exactly 3 are above R. So that means R is in the 4th place now. That's why 3 students are more than R. And S scored immediately below Q. S is immediately below Q. That means in the second position. Q is in the first position, no? So S will be in the second position. And this one is one extra actually. See what they're asking. Who scored the second highest marks? Second highest, so yes, है ना? So S is the answer.
ओके दीदी
You
सब.
understand? Okay, so see first we need to give these rankings. Write like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, like I'm giving one blueprint to solve any questions of these types. See, first count how many people are there. How many people are there? Number those all. Like 7 people are there here, no? So I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I put blanks here. I will place the persons according to those rules here. Okay. And then what I do is I will read these statements carefully and I will convert these statements like this. Q scored highest marks, no? So I wrote Q equals to 1 and U scored lowest. So I wrote U equals to 7. And then exactly three students scored more than R, so R equals to 4. So same like this, we will solve the first question. Now you will try to solve the first question.
हेलो टीचर.
हाँ
मैम
जागृति.
मैं सोलह फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
टीचर आप प्लीज हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं.
अच्छा. Okay, fine. I
मैम
will try. हाँ सोनाली बेटा बोलो.
मैम मैंने एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया है.
ये नहीं किया क्या? Okay, tell me like how many students don't do this one? Raise your hands. If there are more people, then I will discuss this in the tomorrow's class. Like in the next week, I think. Next class में like I will discuss. So who all did not do this test 3? Raise your hands. Am I
मैम
clear?
रिपीट करो.
बात रिटर्न बोलिए ना, आपका आवाज ब्रेक हुआ था.
अच्छा, okay. Who did not do the test paper 3? Raise your hands.
जिसने टेस्ट पेपर 3 सॉल्व किया है वो रेज हैंड करे, ऐसा बोल रही मैं.
नहीं. अच्छा, okay. Who solved the test paper 3 completely? They can raise the hands. Okay, who is this? Lavanya. 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 हाँ बोलो बोलो बेटा.
आपने क्या पूछा? फिर से रिपीट पूछोगे क्या?
Okay, who have solved the test paper 3 completely? जो टेस्ट पेपर 3 completely solve किया वो सब hand raise करो. If there are more people, then I will discuss. Otherwise, I will move to the next topic. Okay, still. Okay, first 10 questions. Who all who did first 10 questions? पहले 10 क्वेश्चन कौन कौन किया है? Nobody solved. Like Lavanya did and Jagruti did and Prerana. That's it. And what about others? Sonali also. Apurva. That's it. Only 5. Anushka also. Okay, 6. Like I'm asking just for the first 10 questions. No. First 10 questions. Who did completely or who tried actually?
मैम मैंने ट्राई किया था पर मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही.
अच्छा, okay. I will explain. No problem.
भी
You
किया
should
था.
try at least.
मैंने भी किया था पर समझ में नहीं आया इतना.
अच्छा,
मैम
okay.
सेम
No problem.
कंडीशन.
No problem. I will explain, you know. And if you have any doubt, you should ask clearly, like, and don't fear, okay? Making mistakes is okay, but not rectifying is not entertained, okay?
हेलो मैम.
हाँ तेजस बोलो बेटा.
मैम आप डे 3 का फिर से डाल सकते हैं क्या टेस्ट?
अच्छा, okay. I think I have kept in the group actually. The group where all the principals are there.
ओके मैम.
1 minute, I will ask to Prema ma'am to send that one. 1 minute, beta. Otherwise, like I'm sharing now, no. So there's no need. I think. Like after class, I'll send it to you. Okay, Tejas. Okay, will that work?
यस मैम.
Okay. Now you can see on the screen, no. So no problem. After the class, I can send you. Okay. Okay, chalo.
Okay, ma'am.
So I will explain the first 10 questions. I will explain. So if anyone did not read the question at least, then go through the questions and try to do some. Okay. 1 minute. So first I will explain the first question. 6 persons A, B, C, D, E are standing in a row facing north. Okay. 6 persons are there. So what we will do at the first? You tell me, anyone. How do we start the question? Similar to the second problem.
11 मैम.
हाँ बोलो.
मैम 11 क्वेश्चन मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
Come again. I can't hear actually. There's a lot of noises.
मैम 11 क्वेश्चन मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
Acha, okay. Still we are in the first question.
Ma'am.
Now we will go there. First, let me complete first 10 questions and then I will explain you the 11th question and then we will go to the next topic, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, first question we will see. 6 persons are given. So first step is do numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now keep the blanks. We need to put the persons. Okay.
Excuse
हाँ
me, ma'am.
बोलो. हाँ बोलो प्रभा.
Excuse me, ma'am.
अच्छा wait.
Ma'am,
wait.
screen not visible.
Okay.
रही है मैम.
Now. अच्छा
Ma'am.
okay.
Yes, ma'am, visible.
प्रभाकर please see at your end बेटा.
दिख रही है.
तुम्हारे end में कुछ problem होगा. Once see that one. अच्छा.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Visible.
please sort it out and come fastly. Okay, good. Okay, now we will start. A is taller than B but shorter than D. A B से बड़ा है और D से छोटा है. So what does that mean? D is taller than A and A is taller than B. Okay? समझ में
हेलो
आया ये?
टीचर, आप हिंदी
Yes,
में
ma'am.
बोलेंगे, मतलब हमें
Good.
समझ में नहीं आता है।
अच्छा जागृति बेटा. Okay. I'm trying to tell in Hindi like most possible ways. Like okay, I will try
हेलो मैम।
next. हाँ बोलो लावण्य बेटा.
मैम मैं बताती हूँ वो तो उसे समझ आएगा। आपको थोड़ी हिंदी अनकंफर्टेबल है ना?
नहीं मैं सीख रहा हूँ. मैं सीख रहा हूँ. या
मैम
no problem. Yeah, no problem. I will explain. C E से बड़ा है. C is taller than E. Okay, and C is shorter than A. C A से छोटा है. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and F is the shortest. F is shorter, so F is fixed here. F इधर होगा. और हमें ये सब रिलेशंस पता है. So see, D greater than A greater than B, and A is here only. A greater than C greater than E. Now we should match these two. हमें match करना है ये दोनों को. D is obviously bigger. And next will come A. And then there's a clash between B and C. B and C के ये clash है, but see what they're asking in the question. Who is the second tallest?
A.
A है ना?
A.
So
A, ma'am.
yeah, completed. So now
Yes, ma'am.
completed. So हमें B और C के बीच में रिलेशन नहीं जानना चाहिए. So it doesn't matter actually. F इधर है. E will be इधर. B C इधर और इधर. We don't need to know this one. We know like who is the second tallest now. Second tallest is A. Is this clear? जागृति समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am. आ गया.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
यस टीचर।
Fifth, third question. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Anyone have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
नो मैम।
If किसी को कोई doubt है,
No, ma'am.
then
No,
ask
ma'am.
freely. Okay, good.
मैम
Fourth question.
Yes,
प्रभाकर
ma'am.
बोलो.
मैम
Okay, दर्शना बोलो बेटा.
तीसरा सॉल्व करके बताओ ना मैम। थोड़ा सा वो कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था।
Which one, Sonali?
मैम क्वेश्चन 3 में थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था, फिर से बताओ
हाँ.
ना वो।
Okay.
explain
What I will do is just I will explain every question, or I will ask someone maybe who told they know. Jagriti, you can explain this question better.
नो टीचर।
Explain. अच्छा, okay. Here are 5 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And A is heavier than B but lighter than C. A B से heavier है but A C से छोटा है. Like less weight. कम weight है. So A is heavier than B but A is lighter than C. Is this clear? A B से heavy है और C
Yes,
और
ma'am.
A C से lighter है. And D is heavier than E and D is lighter than B. We have these two and we should combine. अरे ये तो just these two are same, no? So just combine both. A greater than C greater than B greater than D greater than E. That's it. We got the relation and E is the lightest here now.
E.
That's it.
E आएगा, ma'am.
हेलो
नहीं,
टीचर।
क्या डाउट है? हाँ जागृति बोलो.
टीचर ए से सी बड़ा कैसे हो सकता है?
A से C बड़ा. C
मैम
इसमें
कंडीशन
only
दिए
बड़ा. हाँ, yeah. They
कंडीशन
have given here A is heavier than B, but A is lighter than C.
मैम कंडीशन है वो।
हाँ, कंडीशन ही है. जागृति बेटा, once again repeat your doubt. फिर से बोलो.
मैम मतलब ए से सी बड़ा है क्या?
नहीं. A C से छोटा है. See here. A C से
यस
छोटा
मैम,
है.
मैंने वही तो बोला, मतलब ए सी से जब छोटा है, मतलब वो कैसे हो सकता है?
वो कैसा हो सकता है? Because they have given here A is heavier than B, but lighter than C. But lighter than C मतलब ये A के बारे में ही बोल रहा था. A lighter than C ही है. Not about B, okay? A is heavier than B, but
ओके
lighter
मैम।
than C. That means A is only lighter than C.
यस।
Doubt cleared है? Can we move forward?
ओके।
Okay, good. Okay, now let's solve this fourth question. So 6 runners are there. Okay, first let me ask, how many of you solved this question? Fourth question. How many of you solved? Okay, chalo, no problem. We will solve this question. 6 runners are there. One, mark like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At different positions, only one runner finished before M. Or do you understand what I'm doing like this? These are just rankings. मैं each person को ranking दे रही हूँ, okay? Rankings to each person. I don't know who comes first and who comes second or third or fourth or fifth. I don't know. So what I'm doing is first I rank like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. And this rankings is based on some criteria, based on some like criteria मतलब वो marks हो सकता है, like किसको highest marks आ रहा है वो उसको हम नंबर 1 पोजीशन देते हैं ना marks. Otherwise weight maybe who is the heaviest person, they will be more stronger and I will place them in first position. Or who is more taller, I will place them in the first position like that. Is this clear?
यस मैम।
Okay, so
फर्स्ट
see
चैप्टर
here.
इज यम। यम मैम।
हाँ बोलो बेटा तेजस.
मॅम चौथ्यात उत्तर आहे ना ए यम।
A M. I did
ए
not get
आएगा
you.
यम।
हाँ.
वो बोल रहा है कि यम आंसर आएगा मैम।
अच्छा, okay, you are telling him. Okay, Tejas told M. Okay, so now let's solve this question and then we will take how Tejas solved the question also. Okay, 6 runners are there and only one runner finished before M. M के पहले only one runner finished the race. Who finished first? Who finished first is given first position, right? Like similarly, only one runner finished before M. So M is in the second position, so that only one runner finished before M. Is this clear? And K finished the last. Last क्या है?
यस
6
मैम।
है ना? K equals to 6. Okay, so K I will place here. L finished before elevated. L finished after N but before O. Jagruti beta, see here. L finished after N and L before O. Not N before O. It's L before O. Okay. Okay. So L N के after finish किया है ना, so N will be given better position. N is greater than L, but L finished before O. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. P finished immediately after M. P immediately after M finish किया, so it should be here. P should be here immediately after M. Okay. So and these all are given, and only 3 positions are there no, for us. So first N, and then L, then O. So first is N. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Just tell me like
Yes,
how
ma'am.
did you get M?
Yes, ma'am.
Tejas beta, what mistake
Yes,
did you do?
Yes,
कहाँ
ma'am.
पे गलती हुआ तेजस बोलो.
मैम बिफोर पढ़ा नहीं था मैम मैं.
अच्छा, okay. Here you did the mistake. Or here.
Yes,
अच्छा, okay. You thought P finished immediately after M. अरे wait.
मॅम मला वाटलं की ना पीच्या म्हणजे पीच्या आधी यम येतो असं. म्हणून मला वाटलं की पी म्हणजे यम आहे ना फर्स्ट कंडिशनला आहे असं.
हाँ कंडीशन है, ये फर्स्ट कंडीशन दिया है उसमें. लाइक उसमें तूने क्या सोचा?
मॅम तिथं वन रनर आहे ना मला वाटलं की यम आहे ना पहिला आला काय असं फर्स्ट.
हिंदी में बोलो.
हाँ प्लीज.
टीचर मला वाटलं की ना वन रनर फिनिशर बिफोर यम आहे ना तर मला वाटलं की पहिल्यांदा आहे ना यम आलाय का असं.
अच्छा, so you thought M finished as first. Okay.
येस मॅम.
Okay. So read carefully. That's what I could say to you.
ओके मॅम.
So reading is very important here. You should not do reading mistakes. Okay, let's solve the 5th question. First, I will give some time. So I am giving 4 minutes. So everyone try this question.
Okay, ma'am.
And those who have like already tried the questions, you can solve the remaining pending questions you have. Okay. पहला ये सॉल्व करो.
कौन सा मैम?
5th question बेटा. This one which is visible on the screen. 7
Yes, yes.
boxes. वो है ना, वो है.
Ma'am, immediately above means?
Immediately above means just after, I could say.
Yeah,
Like if like this is the condition, like this is the case. D is immediately above A ना. A के immediately above D है. Like A के above D मतलब ये भी हो सकता है ना. D is still like above A only here. But here it is D is immediately above A.
मैम हिंदी में बताओ ना प्लीज.
मैम बी
अरे
आंसर आएगा उसका. डी.
रचना क्या
डी आंसर आएगा. डी.
Okay, Darshana told this one.
नहीं मैम बी वाला
Yes, ma'am. D, ma'am.
D only है ना D? I
नहीं
marked
मैम
D.
डी बी वाला बी
अच्छा okay B okay.
B वाला ऑप्शन B का D.
अच्छा okay. Okay, what else? में okay, can anyone explain this term actually immediately above in Marathi or in Hindi? Immediately above,
B
just
ma'am, B.
above it. No. Someone explain this term actually. Someone asked the doubt, bro.
Ma'am, answer D.
Answer D. So you are saying this one.
No ma'am, no. B
Okay,
म्हणजे
B है.
D.
B, ma'am. Option number B.
Okay. Okay, Sonali beta, explain this one in Marathi. This term in Marathi.
मॅम जो D आहे ना तो A पेक्षा मोठा आहे.
Acha, so did you understand like who asked me to explain this line actually?
मैम मैं करूँ?
हाँ करो बेटा. Someone asked, no, did they understand or not? Jagriti,
Ma'am,
did you
मैं
ask
करूँ?
about that one?
मॅम इमिडिएटली अबाउटचा अर्थ होतो लगेचच वर.
अगदी वर.
येस.
मैम मैं करूँ का?
Okay. Is this
Yeah.
clear now? Okay, now someone explain. Anjali, can you explain
Yes,
the
ma'am.
problem?
Yes,
How did
ma'am.
you do? Okay, good. So we will take Anjali's explanation. Okay, Anjali, बोलो बेटा.
येस मॅम थँक्यू. F हा D च्या अगदी वर आहे म्हणजे खूप अगदी म्हणजे थोडं वर आहे. D हा A च्या अगदी वर आहे. C हा A च्या अगदी खाली आहे. हे एक क्रम देतात. F D A C क्योंकि F पहिला आहे वापस
मॅम D.
D
क्या
A
हुआ?
C.
मॅम D.
D is above A, right? Okay.
ऑप्शन नंबर B.
Option number B. Okay. Good.
येस मॅम ऑप्शन नंबर B.
मॅम मैं एक्सप्लेन करू क्या नाही?
हाँ करो बेटा, कंटिन्यू.
म्हणून उतरत्या क्रमाने F D A C हे उतरत्या क्रमाने A हा B च्या वर आहे म्हणून B हा A च्या खाली असला पाहिजे. स्थान A G आधीच तिथे आहे म्हणून B हा G च्या वर असला पाहिजे. F D A C हे एक क्रम E वर आणि G खाली मध्ये बसला पाहिजे. बॉक्स बी आहे. कोणाला काही डाऊट?
Your voice is breaking, beta. Anjali, beta.
ओके
Your
मॅम.
voice is
ओके मॅम.
breaking. Okay, now it's clear. Yeah, go ahead.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ. Yeah. Continue.
मैम क्वेश्चन 9 दिखा सकते हैं आप?
Question 9. Okay, 9 I will go through it. Okay. I will tell you. Okay.
मॅम क्वेश्चन 6.
6B. Okay. Wait. First, did everyone understand the fifth question? What Anjali have explained?
यस मैम
Okay, good then. See then, D is immediately above A. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, G is here, E is here. So these both are completed. C is immediately below A. C is immediately below A. Okay, A is here. Then D is immediately above A. So this is also fixed. And F is immediately above D. F is here. And A is above B. That means B should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we need only 5 places. So F, D, A, C, B. Okay, so which box is third from the top? This is F actually, don't get confused. FA. Which box is third from the top? So D. Okay, good. Good beta. Good bacho. Darshana, good. Sonali also did correctly. Good. Now sixth question. Try to solve the sixth question.
हम एक बार
If
नाइन्थ
anyone
क्वेश्चन दिखा देंगे.
ninth question. And also everyone try the sixth question. If किसी को कोई doubt है, we will take that or we will move forward.
मॅम 6 क्वेश्चन सोडवते तर प्लीज 6 क्वेश्चन दाखवा ना.
हाँ. वो आज में actually लावण्य है ना. लावण्य, we will go through this later better. We are going in a sequence, no? Again that sequence will disturb. So sixth question.
नो प्रॉब्लम.
Okay. So for sixth question, किसी को कोई doubt है?
नो मैम.
Okay. But still we will solve this one. Who did this question? Sixth question. Who can explain?
मॅम ऑप्शन नंबर सी.
Okay, option number C. Mayur is telling option number C. Still? Still Apurva, what did you get beta? Sonali, Darshana, Anushka, Tejas.
मैम प्लीज सॉल्व करके
Jagrati.
मैम मैं बता.
Apurva.
मॅम आंसर डी. सी. सी ऑप्शंस. मॅम सी
Anushka is
ऑप्शन.
also telling C.
मैम
मॅम
आर इज
मी पण
टेलर
सोडवलंच
दॅन
नाही.
यस बट शॉर्टर दॅन सी.
Anjali, what you are telling?
मॅम ऑप्शन नंबर सी टी. मॅम
Okay,
ऑप्शन नंबर
Karthik
सी.
is telling C.
मैम मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँ. मैम ऑप्शन
Who?
प्लीज.
Apurva? Is that Apurva?
यस मैम.
Okay, you explain the sixth question, Apurva.
R is taller than S but shorter than T. U is taller than V but shorter than S. Who is the tallest? T is tallest. So option number C.
Acha, how did you do? Like, you should
मॅम मी
explain,
करू
no?
का एक्सप्लेन.
करो.
येस मॅम. आर इज अ टॉलर दॅन एस म्हणजे एस पेक्षा आर हा मोठा आहे आणि पण तो टी पेक्षा छोटा आहे. आर. तर यू इज अ टॉलर दॅन व्ही पेक्षा यू मोठा आहे बट यू हा एस पेक्षा छोटा आहे. तर हु इज द टॉलेस्ट. तर टी हा टॉलेस्ट येईल कारण तो आर पेक्षा टी कारण
Okay, good,
आर
good.
हा टी पेक्षा छोटा आहे आणि यस पेक्षा पण आर हा छोटा आहे त्याच्यामुळे टी हा आन्सर.
Okay, good, Sonali, good. Okay, now let's do the seventh question. Seventh question. Anyone have any doubt? Okay, tell me the answer first of all. Who got this question? Or didn't you try? Okay, so let me give you 3 minutes and then we will see what is the answer.
मैम सी आएगा इसका आंसर.
Okay, see.
मैम बी.
Darshana.
मैम
नहीं
आंसर
मैम.
बी में सी है ना वो आएगा.
मैम बी.
Acha, okay.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी.
Okay, Mayur is also telling B.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी.
Okay, still who? Anushka. Okay, Darshana. You can you explain this problem better?
सी.
Jagruti is telling option number C. Jagruti, tu.
यस मैम ऑप्शन नंबर सी.
Acha, okay. Jagruti is on different side. Let's see who is correct.
सी.
Vedika is also telling C. Still more Tejas, Anushka. Okay, Anushka told here, no? Anushka said C only.
C,
Anushka,
ma'am.
okay. So, everyone are telling C option only, no? C option. Okay. Okay, so there are two options for us. So let's see.
हो रहा है
अनुष्का बोलो.
मैम आपका आवाज ब्रेक हो रहा है एक बार फिर से बोलिए ना
अच्छा. Now is it
अब
clear?
आ-
Actually, like near my home, like so many disturbances are there actually. I think that's because of it, maybe. Now, can you hear me?
Yes,
Is this
ma'am.
clear? Is my voice still breaking?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then good. Okay, now, who want to explain? Darshana, let's give chance to you. Darshana, beta. Okay. Still, who are there here? Mayur. Arey, Mayur.
Yes, ma'am.
Explain this one now. How did you do? How did you do, beta? Like, how did you get the C option? Just tell me that one. Okay, चलो कोई बात नहीं. Still, who we have? हाँ. Anushka. Anushka, beta. अरे, I'm ruining you. Anushka.
Yes, ma'am.
How did you get option B?
Yes, ma'am. मैं explain करूँ क्या?
हाँ. करो बेटा.
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
see. Okay. There are 6 friends A, B, C, D, E, F are arranged according to age. Okay, so now go ahead. Explain. How did you arrive at option B?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
मैम मेरा ना शायद थोड़ा सा आंसर गलत है मैं
अच्छा. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Just we will see. Like, how did you do?
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
मैम एक बार आप एक्सप्लेन करेंगे क्या थोड़ा सा डाउट है उसमें
Okay, चलो, no problem. I will start then. A is older than B. A B से बड़ा है. A greater than B. Okay, but younger than D. A D से छोटा है. This one we got from first one. And C is younger than E. C E से छोटा है. That means E C से बड़ा है ना. C is younger than E. That means E is older than C. But C is older than B. C B से बड़ा है. And E is older than A. E A से बड़ा है. This one is also completed. E is the oldest. Oldest मतलब one है ना. यहाँ old, यहाँ young. Okay. We are going like this. A is older than C. So these all we have, and F is fixed. No, first we write F here, and then let's see. First I will group these all things D, A, B, और A कहाँ पर है? इधर है ना? A is greater than E, A is greater than C. Still E किधर आया? E और C, E इधर है ना? E C B, E greater than C greater than B. Clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now our job is we should combine all these relations and we should get a final only one relation. That's the main task here. Okay. So let's see here. And also what they are asking, that is also important. Who is the second youngest? Second youngest कौन है? Okay. A is older than C. अच्छा. So see here, we can combine these two, no? Now this will reduce to like only three relations. E greater than A greater than C. We have this one and also this one. Like we know E C से बड़ा है, but we don't know like in between भी कोई हो सकता है like A, like E का 20 years है तो C का 18 है और B का 12 है और A का 19 है. ये भी पॉसिबल है ना, like this. And if you match these two, हमें क्या मिलता है? E greater than A greater than C greater than D. Now I have combined all these three. And then what is left over? This relation is there. D greater than E, A greater than B, है ना? हमें ये दोनों को मैच करना चाहिए. So we don't know the relation between E and D. So C greater than A greater than C greater than B. A भी हो सकता है और A भी हो सकता है, सही है? ये दोनों में किसी भी हो सकता है. But what they're asking, see the question, who is the second youngest? Second youngest मतलब लास्ट से सेकंड कौन है? C है ना? लास्ट से सेकंड C है.
Yes, ma'am.
So C is the correct answer. So option B is correct. You are right, Anushka.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
what
Right
I was telling.
answer.
Just you are thinking that you are not right. You are right actually.
Yes, ma'am. मुझे लगा गलत होगा इसलिए मैंने आंसर ही नहीं.
Build
Sorry,
confidence.
ma'am,
Don't
नहीं कर पाई.
don't worry. You are doing right.
सॉरी मैम, मैं एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाई क्योंकि मुझे कॉल आ गया था.
अच्छा, okay. So now could you explain the next question? Next question तुम्हें explain कर सकते हो क्या?
नहीं मैम, मुझे नहीं आ रहा है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
अच्छा, okay. Then we will explain. So, okay, first I will give you some time so that you can try yourself this one. See, आप खुद से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है. एग्जाम में मैं नहीं आ सकता है ना, तुम ही सॉल्व करना चाहिए क्वेश्चंस को. एंड दैट टू इन एग्जाम प्रेशर में तुम्हें सॉल्व करना है. सो यू शुड प्रैक्टिस. अगर तुम
मैम.
प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं करेगो तो हाउ कैन यू क्रैक द स्कॉलरशिप एग्जाम? So what I'm telling is, so give some time to logical reasoning and then solve the problems by your own. in given time, in given like a 45 minutes, keep a timer. क्लॉक में ये फिक्स करो और इतने टाइम के लिए बैठो और ये सब इतने रो कंप्लीट करो एंड देन यू find out what problems you can't do, and then you should ask the questions to me. That's what the test paper is meant to be. Okay, chalo now eighth question को solve करो. Try the eighth question. I will discuss it soon. Okay.
हॅलो मॅम.
हाँ बोलो. तेजस बोलो बेटा.
मॅम चुकलं तर चालन का? माझं यश आलंय.
I can't understand Marathi actually.
हिंदी
हिंदी में बोलो. हिंदी में.
मैम गलत आंसर होगा क्या, चलेगा क्या? मेरा यश
हाँ
आया
हाँ
है.
हाँ हाँ चलेगा. नो प्रॉब्लम. मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स इज completely okay. Don't worry. Okay. तेजस बोला एस. एस है ना, सो सी.
येस मॅम.
1 minute. Okay, let's see. Still who?
Ma'am, option number A.
Okay, Nayan, where were you? I think you joined late, right? Okay. Okay, let's see. Wait for some more members to answer. Samskruti. हाँ हाँ बोलो बेटा.
Option number D.
Okay, Samskruti is telling D.
Ma'am, answer A.
Anushka is also telling A. Still? Who else? Who else got the question? अनुष्का, अब तुम एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो क्या बेटा? Now? Okay, so let's give chance to these people. Tejas, can you explain this one? Tejas, Sanskriti, Nayan, Anushka,
नेक्स्ट टाइम
any one
करूंगा.
of you. Acha, okay, no problem. Tejas will do next time. And Sanskriti? Nayan?
मैम मुझे इसमें थोड़ा डाउट है, तो आप सॉल्व करोगे क्या?
Okay, I will solve this one. So 7 persons are there. One. So first I will do numbering. First I will clear this rule. 1 minute. Okay. 7 persons are there, arranged by weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 persons are there.
Ma'am,
P is
answer
aware.
A.
Okay, Sonali is also telling A. Okay. P is heavier than Q. P is heavier than Q, but P is lighter than R. क्लियर है? किसको कोई डाउट है इसमें? S is heavier than T, but lighter than Q. S Q से लाइटर है तो Q जैसे हेवियर ही है ना. U is lightest. U is 7. See here, the order is like this: heavy here and lightest here. Okay. So U will be here. I will place here directly. V is heavier than exactly 4%. Heavier than exactly 4%. If I place V here, suppose if I place V here, then exactly 3% are there na.
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
Answer B, मतलब option B.
Okay, Lavanya is telling option B. We have people for every option.
मैम ऑप्शन बी।
टीचर आप सॉल्व कर दीजिए।
हाँ बोलो।
आप
ऑप्शन बी आएगा मैम।
यस मैम, ऑप्शन बी से।
यस
Okay,
मैम ऑप्शन
Sonali
बी।
is also changed to option B.
बी
यस
है
मैम।
मैम बी।
Sonali, what
हेलो
you are
मैम।
telling? हाँ
हेलो
तेजस,
मैम।
तेजस
मैम
बोलो।
लास्ट कंडीशन फिर से बताओ ना। V
लास्ट
is higher
कंडीशन,
than।
हाँ वही ना। V is heavier than exactly 4% ना. If V is here, then V is like V के below कितना percent है? 3% है ना. So V should not be here. V should be here. Then below 3% can be there. This means V equals to 3. Is this clear? तेजस बेटा समझ में आया? V is heavier
Yes
than exactly 4% है. So below V 4% होना चाहिए. So third position होते तो 4% नीचे होंगे. I think you got it. Okay. So now just you should fix this both things. That's it. क्या होगा? Relationship R greater than P greater than Q greater than X greater than T. ना? हाँ. And we have 1 2 3 4 5 ही positions है हमारे पास. So क्या है?
मैम
R
P।
P Q S T. Either what
Yes
they are asking,
मैम।
who is heavier than?
P।
Okay. Who is heavier than exactly 3%? 3% के exactly कौन है? Q है ना? Q है. So Q is correct. So B is correct option. B सही है और ये गलत है, ये गलत है, ये भी गलत है. Okay, would anyone want to tell their mistake, like what did they do, so that we can find a solution which you will not do in the final exam? Tejas, Samskruti, Nayan, Anushka, Sonali,
हॅलो मॅम.
what did you do
मॅम
wrong?
माझ्याकडे
मैम मैंने
आरपी
बोला था
क्यू
कि
एस टी
थोड़ा
लिहिलं
डाउट हो रहा
होतं,
है।
बट मी
Okay,
पी
one at a
आणि
time.
क्यू डबल
One
लिहिलं
at a
होतं,
time.
त्याच्यामुळे कन्फ्युजन झालं होतं.
Sonali, come again. I couldn't hear properly.
मॅम मी हे राईट सोडवलं, बट ना मी जे डबल क्यू च्या जागी पण पी केलं होतं आणि पी च्या जागी पण पीच केलं होतं, त्याच्यामुळे ते कन्फ्युजन झालं होतं.
Acha, could you tell that in Hindi maybe? That would be better. हिंदी में could you बोल सकते?
मैम
हाँ.
जो मैंने अल्फाबेटिकल लिखे थे ना,
Okay.
आर पी और क्यू क्यू, जो क्यू होता है ना उधर भी मैंने पीस लिखा दिया था,
अच्छा. Okay.
इसलिए वो कंफ्यूजन हो गया था.
अच्छा. Okay. So you should be more cautious while writing every alphabet. So you should see exactly like just slow down at this like reading the question. That will help you. Okay. And Nayan, you were telling something, right? Nayan, beta. Nayan.
मैम इसलिए मुझे थोड़ा सा डाउट था इसमें।
अच्छा. Okay. No problem. Okay. Ninth question.
मैम
Anyone did the? हाँ. Question number 8 में
एक्सप्लेन करो ना फिर।
फिर से explain करो. Which part do you have the doubt? In which part? Like what did you not understand? Okay, I will explain one more time. No problem. 7% are there है ना? So first I mark like this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and they are arranged by weight. जो like जो ज्यादा weight है वो मैंने पहला पोजीशंस में प्लेस किया और जो कम वेट है मैं सेवन like in the lowest positions में प्लेस किया. और what they have given the conditions: P is heavier than Q but lighter than R. P is heavier than Q but lighter than R. इसका मतलब क्या है? P Q से हेवी है और R से कम वेट है. So R is greater than P. P is greater than Q. P Q से हेवी है ना, so P greater than Q. P लाइटर देन आर मतलब आर R is greater than P. Okay. Similarly, the second one also. S is heavier than T but lighter than Q. That means S greater than T. And then S lighter than Q है ना? S is less than Q. U is lightest. That means U equals to 7. B is heavier than exactly 4%. V के नीचे 4% होना चाहिए exactly. That means V should be in the third position. Just you count here 4, 5, 6, 7. 4% are there no below the third position. So V will be in the third position. And then we combine these two relations and then we got this one. That's it. See here, these two are same now. Just I combine both. And then I wrote like this. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
good.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now do the ninth problem.
Ma'am, option A.
Okay, Lavanya is telling A. Lavanya, you were having doubt in this one, right?
क्या ma'am?
You were having doubt in ninth problem, right?
Yes.
Answer.
Teacher, yeah, ma'am.
Say just what you were telling.
Ma'am,
Tejas?
doubt.
A, ma'am.
Okay, Tejas is also telling A. Good.
मैम डाउट नहीं था पर मुझे ये सॉल्व करना था मेरे पीछे के ऑल सॉल्व हो गए थे
अच्छा, okay. So
Hello, ma'am.
you were
Hello.
waiting. अच्छा. हाँ बोलो क्या?
मैम
तेजस बोलो.
मैम मैं सॉल्व करके दिखाऊं क्या?
हाँ मैम.
Okay.
Ma'am.
You can explain.
मैम A score
Nayan
more
बोलो.
than but less than C म्हणजे
Okay, A scored more than.
A पेक्षा आहे ना B लहान आहे आणि A पेक्षा आहे ना C मोठा आहे
हम्म.
आणि
Continue.
B score more than E but less than B म्हणजे ना E पेक्षा आहे ना B लहान आहे म्हणजे B पेक्षा E लहान आहे आणि D पेक्षा B मोठा आहे.
मैम ऑप्शन नंबर ए.
हाँ correct है.
मैम ऑप्शन नंबर ए.
So C greater than A greater than B greater than D greater than E. That's it, right? ये दोनों similar है ना? Like same. So okay, good. Okay, now
मैम
10th question. अनुष्का बोलो.
मैम आई थिंक आप मुझे क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 का कुछ पूछ रहे थे ना, तो मेरे आने का नेटवर्क इशू था इसलिए मैं बोल नहीं सकी. क्या बोल रहे थे आप?
अच्छा. Okay, no problem, Anushka. Can you explain the next question then? 10th question को explain कर सकते हो क्या?
क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में मुझे डाउट है.
अच्छा, okay, no problem. Let's take from others. 6%. Okay, first try this one. If try किया तो just tell me the option. Okay.
मैम
बोलो.
मैम जो यन दिया है वो टेल देन ओ है ना, ओ बट शॉर्ट देन यल आएगा क्या?
Shorter than N. N is shorter than L.
मैम ऑप्शन नंबर ए.
यन
Okay,
कैसे
Nair is
आएगा
telling
मैम?
A. Nair is
उसमें
telling.
कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है मैम मेरा.
N कैसा हो सकता है? अच्छा, okay.
नहीं मैम, मुझे कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है कि यन और ओ दिया है फिर बीच में, फिर मैं ओ और यल ये कर
अच्छा,
दिया.
okay. हाँ. I got your doubt. Wait, I will explain. N is taller than O but shorter than L.
मैम आंसर बी एल.
Answer. Sonali, what you are telling? D.
मैम आंसर नंबर बी.
बी
Option number B.
आंसर नंबर बी.
अच्छा, okay.
ऑप्शन
B.
नंबर बी.
टीचर
Okay.
माझं यल आला यल.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी.
हॅलो मॅम
ऑप्शन
यल.
नंबर बी.
ऑप्शन
हाँ,
नंबर
तेजस. Chaitanya is
मैम
telling A.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी.
यल
हॅलो मॅम बी ऑप्शन नंबर बी.
Okay.
ऑप्शन नंबर
So
बी मैम.
many are there. Okay, Prerana.
मैम ऑप्शन नंबर बी.
Ma'am, option number
Okay,
B.
Sonali. Okay, so many are there with B. Let's see. First, we will clear one girl's doubt here. N is taller than O but shorter than L. This one, like we are referring to N. Like हम N के बारे में ही हम बोल रहे हैं इधर. N वो से taller है but 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 वो shorter than L भी है. N is taller than O but shorter than L.
मॅम मी एक्सप्लेन करू क्वेश्चन ते
Yeah. Once explain this statement to her in Marathi so that she can understand easily. I explain in your mother tongue, then she can understand.
येस मॅम मी मराठी में एक्सप्लेन करू क्या
हाँ. करो.
यस के इज अ टॉलर दॅन एल मतलब की एल पेक्षा के हा मोठा आहे बट एम पेक्षा के हा छोटा आहे तर एन इज अ टॉलर दॅन ओ तर ओ पेक्षा एन हा मोठा आहे बट एन हा एल पेक्षा छोटा आहे तर पी इज द शॉर्टेस्ट पी हा सर्वात लहान आहे तर हु इज द थर्ड टॉलेस्ट तर के पेक्षा के हा एम पेक्षा छोटा आहे मतलब के बड़ा सॉरी एम बड़ा के छोटा और थर्ड में एल छोटा तर ए इज सॉरी
Okay.
एल
So L is the third tallest.
यस
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay. Was the doubt clear? N is taller than O but shorter than L means N O से बड़ा है पर N L से छोटा है. This doesn't mean N is taller than O is shorter than L. ये नहीं है. O L से shorter नहीं है. N is only shorter than L. Is that clear? This is not the correct thing. This is the correct thing. Is that clear? Okay, so 11th question. Once read the question, try to solve on your own.
मैम इसका आंसर क्या था
Which one? The 10th question का B है बेटा. B.
कैसे आया मैम
अच्छा,
मेरा
okay, wait.
नेट स्लो
Okay.
था
Okay, K is taller than L but shorter than M. मतलब यही है ना? Do you agree? और कैसा आया? नयन?
यस मैम
Okay. Clear है ना ये? K shorter than L but shorter than M. M is greater than K greater than L. N taller than O but shorter than L. That means L greater than N greater than O. Is this clear?
यस मैम
Then कहाँ पे तुमने गलती किया?
मैम
T is shortest.
यस मैम
हाँ. बोलो.
मैम एक बार 11th क्वेश्चन दिखा दीजिए।
हाँ, okay. हाँ, बोलो नयन.
समझ गया मैम आ गया
Okay. So what did you do wrong? What
मैम मैं
did you do?
यम में और यल में कंफ्यूज हो गया था
Okay. Be careful.
ओके मैम
Okay. Do solve the 11th one. Try करो 11th one को try करो.
यस मैम
मैम आंसर नंबर ऑप्शन नंबर सी।
Okay, C was spelling Karthik है ना? Okay. Still, anyone solve the problem?
मैम ऑप्शन नंबर बी।
Apurva was telling option number.
B.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Answer C. P.
Okay, Sonali is telling C. Apurva was telling B, है ना?
Teacher, option number C.
Jagrati is also telling C. Still, who else?
Option number C.
Okay, Vedika is also telling C. Okay, so many are with C. Maybe C may be the correct answer. Okay, let's solve this one. 5 friends are there. P taller than only T.
Ma'am,
P.
D.
Prerana is
Q is
telling
taller
D.
than P.
Prerana. Apurva, what were you telling?
Q is taller than P.
Q is taller than P. Okay.
Ma'am, option number B.
मैम
Uh-huh.
बी
Acha, you are telling
टीचर
B.
मेरा भी R।
Tejas, what were you telling? R only. Acha, okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
option number B.
Okay, Lavanya
Option
is also
B.
telling B. Are
Ma'am, option.
okay. Still, Sai, what were you telling?
Ma'am,
Sai beta?
option B.
Okay, Sai was telling D. Okay, let's see.
Option B.
Acha, okay, sorry.
मैम नेक्स्ट
Okay, so let's solve the problem. P is taller than only T. Only T से P बड़ा है. That means P should be here and P should be here, right? P is only taller than only one person. So P should be here and T should be here. Clear? ये समझा
यस
कि
मैम
Q आया? Okay, good. R is taller than Q but shorter than S. R is taller than Q but shorter than S. And Q is taller than P. Okay, so these all we have. P fixed है ना? So only thing is S, R, Q. That's it. These only 3 we should arrange, right? That's it. And we have satisfied this condition also. So who is the second tallest person among the friends? R. So B is correct answer. Good, Apurva, Anushka, Tejas, Lavanya, and Sai. Good. You are understanding. And what about these all? Where did you go wrong?
Sorry, ma'am.
कौन बोला sorry? Anushka, you were right, beta.
मैम मैंने बोली सॉरी वेदिका आई थिंक
अच्छा, okay. Vedika, what happened?
Teacher, answer wrong. I think.
No. Like where did you do the mistake? In reading mistake or else? और अल्फाबेट सही से नहीं पढ़ा, टी के जगह क्यू लिख गया, लाइक समथिंग. व्हाट मिस्टेक डिड यू डू? और ये रिलेशन सही से नहीं लिखा क्या? आर इज ग्रेटर देन टी मतलब लाइक दिस वन डिड यू राइट करेक्टली? आर इज टॉलर देन क्यू बट शॉर्टर देन एस मतलब यही लिखा ना? or else you wrote this one, r is taller than q but q is shorter than s. This is not correct. R is shorter than S. Okay. Okay, 12th one be solve karo. Then we will wind up this class. And that's it for today. 12th one solve karo. Then I will solve this one. Then I will explain you. Try solving the 12th question.
And option number D.
Okay, option Apurva was telling.
मैम ऑप्शन नंबर सी।
Okay,
मैम
Nayan is
ऑप्शन
telling
नंबर डी।
मैम ऑप्शन नंबर 3.
Prerana, Rana. Okay, Mukund. Mukund, what were you telling, beta?
Ma'am, option number D.
Okay, Karthik is also telling D. Mukund,
मैम
beta.
ऑप्शन नंबर 3 मैम.
Okay, C.
मैम ऑप्शन नंबर डी।
Okay, Anushka is telling D.
मैम ऑप्शन नंबर डी।
Okay. Okay, chalo,
मैम
now we will start solving. Sai, what were you telling?
मैम ऑप्शन
मैम
नंबर
ऑप्शन नंबर
डी।
Okay, Darshana was telling D.
मैम ऑप्शन नंबर डी।
Okay, Sai was also with D. Okay, let's see. Only 2 members with C. Okay, let's see. 4 students are there, secured different marks in a test. He
Ma'am,
scored.
answer number D.
Okay, Sonali is also with D. Okay, so many population with D, है ना? Let's
डी
see.
मैम।
Okay. Okay, Vedika, let's see this one. B scored less than A. B less than A. D scored more than C. C scored less than B. A is not the highest scorer. A is not equals to 1. These all we have. These all conditions we have. Now we need to do a ranking. Ranking मतलब numbers first लिखो. And then A is not equals to 1. है ना? But see these two relations. B common है. You can link these two also because the inequality is also same, right? Inequality. So C less than B less than A. Just reverse this one just for our convenience. A greater than B greater than C. और ये भी देखो, ये दोनों है फाइनली. इन दोनों रिलेशन है हमारे पास और हमें पता है ए हाईएस्ट स्कोरर नहीं है. So 3 persons are there. 3 persons and 3 places. A ये यहाँ नहीं आ सकता है ना. So A should be A, B, C. Only then it can satisfy this condition. और फिर D is only left. D first position में आएगा. Is this clear? So option D is correct. Option D is correct. Okay, Nayan and Mukund. Okay, see like what mistake you have done. So D is the correct option. Okay, that's it for today. Actually, I wanted to
Hello ma'am.
discuss the family relationships actually. हाँ बोलो बेटा. Nayan, I think.
Hello ma'am.
Okay. Who is that? Darshana or हाँ बोलो बेटा. Who is speaking actually? Okay, चलो. Actually, I
Hello
want to
hello ma'am.
discuss. हाँ कौन है?
मैम
बोलो.
PDF आप ग्रुप में भेज दोगे क्या?
हाँ मैं भेज दूंगी. up to 13 question I can send. Okay.
मैम
Yes, ma'am.
टेस्ट 3 और टेस्ट 4 भी भेज देना प्लीज.
Okay. Then see, everyone should solve test 3 and test 4 by next class. Okay.
हाँ मैम.
Test 3
Yes,
and
ma'am.
test 4 you should solve before
Yes,
coming to
ma'am.
class. This
Okay,
should not
ma'am.
repeat. See, today na we are just solving the test paper only. We did not discuss new topic also. Actually, I wanted to discuss like family relations का है something like family relations का भी एक ये concept होता है. I wanted to
मैम.
discuss the new topic actually, but test 3 के लिए ही तुमने and that too we did not complete the test 3 completely. Just we have completed up to 12 questions. That's it.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ बोलो लावण्य.
नो टाइज का मीनिंग क्या होता है?
क्या? types.
ये 13 क्वेश्चन है ना, 13 तो इसमें दिया है क्वेश्चन में देयर आर नो टाइप्स
हाँ हाँ
assuming
हाँ,
that
नो
अच्छा
टाइप्स मतलब बोथ आर नॉट इन इक्वल पोजीशन, लाइक मार्क्स सेम सेम आना, ए और बी को सेम मार्क्स आना, सेम मार्क्स.
ओके मैम
Okay, yeah, okay. Okay. Still, any more doubts? See, टेस्ट मतलब तुम्हें ही सॉल्व करना है टोटली, एंड आई विल आंसर ओनली द डाउट्स यू हैव, दैट्स इट. I should not solve the entire paper, only doubts मैं solve करना चाहिए. Okay, this is okay because you are not that comfortable in this ranking and ordering, but I think now I guess you are all are comfortable in doing ranking and ordering questions, right? Ranking and ordering questions, ये सब तुम ही करना चाहिए. And in the next class I will ask each of you. Okay, and test 4 भी करना चाहिए. Okay, test 4 test 3 I will send by today. You should solve with, whenever you have time. Next week I will ask you. Okay, okay बच्चों, that's it for today. Okay, bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.